Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial in AutoCAD. Problem from projections of planes. So problem is draw the projections of a regular hexagon of 25 mm side having one of its sides in the horizontal plane and inclined 60 degrees to the vertical plane and its surface making an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal plane. This is standard problem from the ND, but so to draw this problem, I have in my earlier videos I have explained how to draw this basic problem. So this one I am going to copy for my reference. Okay, I am not going to use everything, but I will copy some important lines and everything. So text, copy this one, this one. Okay, control C, control here. Okay, now just only for the reference only. Okay, then only you will practice easily. Okay, now creating everything, just copy paste. Okay, now how to draw the regular hexagon. So before going to the draw, what is the, it is resting on the surface making 45 degrees with the horizontal plane. So you make your surface is either parallel or just place on your horizontal plane. Suppose if you place on horizontal plane, you will get the true shape from the top view. So it is below the reference line. uh, what is that side is 25 mm side. Draw a line 25 mm. Okay, now go to polygon. Here enter six sides, enter, select edge. This is your edge. Now you remove this here. Okay, this is your top view and a true shape of your pentagon. Okay, so I'm copy this text, one text at least, CO here to place here. Okay, here, 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 and here. Just ED. This one is B, small b, top view lowercase without dash, C, D, E, F. Now draw the front view by using a line command from this point to this point. Okay, so trim this one, these 2 points. Here you will draw your front view line like this, and you will highlight your line by providing the select like this. Okay, no line is drawn here. Yeah, now change the here 0.3. Highlight this line weight by clicking this button. Yeah, select this one also, give line weight, or else directly provide match prop. Command is MA, enter, select this one, and also copy this one and draw one more projecting line from this point to this point. These projector lines change to color number 8. So you will adjust your text somewhere like this without any overlappings. Now copy this one, here one, here one, here one. Okay, ED, this one is A dash comma F dash, or write in brackets. Okay, no problem. Here this one is B dash comma E dash. This one is C dash comma D dash. Okay, this is a stage 1 problem, first case. Okay, now in the problem the surface is making 45 degrees angle with the horizontal plane. Now what you will do is copy this one, CO, select this one and move like this. Okay, move like this. Somewhere you just put one point, PO, enter at mid, PO, enter, select midpoint. Okay, RE, DDP type, enter, point style is. Okay, now you will rotate. you will rotate your this one and this RO, enter 45 degrees. So you can adjust your text proper way. Now draw projector lines from this point like this, and draw from this point, draw like this point. Similarly, you will draw horizontal projector lines from all the points, from A, from B, from C is already there, from D, from E, horizontal. From F is already there, so you need no need to draw here. You want to trim this one also. Okay. See here, if you observe the line drawn from the A and the line drawn from the A, horizontal projector and vertical projector, where these two projectors are meeting at one common point, that will be named as new point. It is A1. Okay, enter, adjust in a proper way. Now copy your next point. This is from B line and this is from B line. So here your new point is copy. This is your new point B1. Similarly, this point is C1. Similarly, this is D line and D line. This is your new point D. This is E line and this is horizontal E. This is your E1 and this is F and F. Here this is F. So now change ED B1 C1 D1 E1 F1. Okay. Now draw lines from using P line, PL, enter, from A1 to B1, B1 to C1, C1 to D1, D1 to E1, E1 to F1, F1 to A1, enter. So this is your P line. Change the line weight 30. You will trim unwanted lines. That's it. Okay. Now what we will do is put your dimension, dim ANG, from this to this, put 45 degrees, dim linear, or using this one 10 mm. If any overlaps is there, you just adjust your text like this. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, and incline 60 degrees to the vertical plane. So now you have to rotate your diagram. This is your diagram. Copy first. Okay. Now rotate. Select this point, and what is the angle is 60 degrees. So you will rotate minus 30. Why minus 30 means? Then only you will get the 60 degrees angle here. Dim ANG angle. Select this one and this one. You will get 60 degrees. So trim this one. Okay. If you don't want, you just like this. Okay. Now draw projector lines from all the points. From A and from A. This is your new projector point. New point. Okay. So for that I am going to copy this one here. Yeah. So ED, this one is A1 dash in front of you. Similarly, draw a line from B and draw a line from B. So if you have a line, then remove your point. No need. Okay. Yeah. Where is B? This one is B. Copy. This is your point B1 dash. Okay. ED B1 dash. Similarly, Draw remaining all the points. From C, draw projector line, horizontal. From C, you draw a line. Similarly, from D, draw a line. Similarly, from E, draw a line. Similarly, from F, draw a line. Okay. So you will place all your points. What is using the points command PO? This is A, and this is B, C, 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 D, 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 E, E. So just extend this one up to here. That is your point P. This is your E. Can place exactly. Okay. RE. Highlight the points. Okay. RE. Now your final point F1. Again PO enter F1 here. F1. Your F1. This is your F. This is your F. This is your point. Okay. Now using the P line PL from the points, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, again A. Okay. If you don't want, give match prop MA, enter, select this. That is your final front view. If you don't want, erase these points. No need. Once your drawing is completed. Okay. Now place your text. Copy this one. See, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash. This point is F1 dash. ED, okay, dash, ED, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash. Here this is F1 dash. Okay. Yeah. Now remove this one. You don't want. Okay. Re-enter. If you want to adjust this one in a proper way, so like this. Okay. Now if you want to place down your template, Control C, Control V. Okay. Delete this one. Change it ED to. Okay. You can adjust your text in a proper way. See, set enter, enter. Here you can change it. This is problem number 2. Here you can give, yeah, suppose somewhere here, yes, like this. Now go to layout. Okay, Z enter, enter, put MS enter. Now Z enter, enter. Then it just automatically. Now go to export PDF, desktop, polygon, sorry, hexagon plane problem. See. So now go to the desktop, check your, see, take this printout, okay, and place down your record. Okay. If any lines highlighted here, you just change the line weights. Okay, you change the line weights. How it is change the line weights is simply not go to layout, here go to model space, change the colors. This color is 8, this color is also 8, or else MA command, enter, select this one, give all the lines, give all the lines. Okay, now we will verify it. Layout 1, export PDF, so give title final. See, final. Now observe, this is your final print. Final print. Okay, so take this print and place it on your record. Okay, with this I will stop the session. In the next session I will explain the projections of solids. Thank you.